In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay bills in QuickBooks Online with Bill Pay. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from having unpaid bills sitting in your account to having scheduled, confirmed payments going out to your vendors, all from within QuickBooks Online. Let's start by getting to the right place inside QuickBooks. From your dashboard, look for the plus sign labeled New, usually at the top of the screen. Click that, and from the options that appear, choose Pay Bills Online. This takes you directly to the bill payment screen, which is where you'll manage everything for this process. On this screen, you'll see a list of your unpaid bills. These are pulled in from the bills you've already entered into QuickBooks. Take a moment to scan the list and find the vendors and invoices you want to pay. To select a bill, simply check the box next to it. If you have several bills you want to pay at once, you can use the batch checkbox at the top of the list to select multiple bills in one click. This is especially helpful if you're doing your weekly or monthly bill run and want to pay a group of vendors at the same time. Once you've selected the bills you'd like to pay, go ahead and move forward by clicking Next or Schedule Payment, depending on what you see on your screen. This will bring you to the Scheduling and Review section, where you'll confirm how and when the money actually goes out. Now you'll review and confirm your payment details. First, check the bank account you're paying from. Make sure it's the correct account for these expenses. If you don't have a bank account connected yet, QuickBooks will prompt you to connect one before you can proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely link your account, and once that's done, come back to this payment screen. Next, choose how each vendor will receive the payment. Depending on what's available and what you've set up, you might be able to send an electronic transfer or have QuickBooks mail a check on your behalf. Pick the option that works best for you and your vendor. You'll also need to confirm the withdrawal date. This is the date the money will leave your bank account. Make sure it lines up with your cash flow and the bill due date so you avoid late fees, but still manage your cash wisely. At this stage, QuickBooks may ask for a few required vendor details, such as an email address or mailing information, to ensure the payment can be delivered correctly. Fill in any missing information and double-check it for accuracy. When everything looks correct, you're ready to send the payment. Click Submit Payment to finalize the transaction. QuickBooks will then process the payment according to the options and schedule you selected, and your bill will be marked as paid in your records.